In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete story on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app, then go to your profile, tap at that button and select activity log. After that, go to archive and then story archive. That's where we can find all the stories we have ever posted on Facebook, and then if we would like to remove some, we can just open it up, then tap at three dots and then tap at delete this story. After that, tap at delete, and as you can see, if we go back here, I have just removed a story from my story archive. If you want to delete story you've posted in 24 hours, you need to go to the home page and then just select your story, then tap at three dots right here, and that's where you need to choose whether you would like to delete that uploaded video, or you would like just to hide that story from your followers. If you would like just to hide your story, tap at edit story privacy, then tap at custom, and then just choose one single friend who don't care about that story. I recommend you to just checkmark your second or fake Facebook account. After that, tap at choose one friend and then tap at save. If you would like to delete this story and uploaded video, just tap at delete video, and then it will ask you if you would like to remove it from Facebook or from Facebook and Instagram. I'm gonna tap at delete from both. That's it. I have just removed my story. That's how you can easily delete story on Facebook.